Yes, good evening to you, everybody. Welcome to the AP and TS LASET 2021. And please read what I cited on the screen. Yes, anyone? Read what I cited on the screen. Unmute and read what I cited on the screen.
Good evening, Professor Dr. Muhammad Sahib Hussain.
What is that picture? Did you see any picture there or not?
Yes, sir. Picture is here, sir. That
What
is
is
an
that?
one side is a tree, sir. Another side a tree, sir. That is in between the like that and a cradle, sir.
Yeah. Can you
It is
tell me
not
what
an
you say in
exact
English? Can anyone say what is that in English? Sir, we were trying. Participants, why you are so very dumb? Either you say no, I don't know, or pass on. Because I saw that Durga Prasad Kunapuri is present, Muhammad Hasnuddin is
Pass on, sir. Pass on, sir. Pass on, sir.
Yes, who said pass on?
All are listening, sir. Student participants are listening, sir.
It is called Hammock. HAMMOCK. I repeat, it is called Hammock. HAMMOCK. And in my yesterday class, Kolikonda or Sharad Babu said the right thing. Because when you want to say the juvenile delinquency, we said. So we type it the same juvenile delinquency committed by whom that we discussed yesterday. Is it done? So there, can you read what is there on the screen regarding the juvenile? Where my cursor is here? Anyone? Could you read?
Sir, screen is not coming properly.
Yes. Repeat. Asnaddin, repeat. Can you see that what I cited on the screen? Nobody is giving the answer to my question. At least anyone can speak.
Sir, juvenile delinquency is a crime committed by. Juvenile delinquency refers to the.
No, I'm showing a cursor here. This one you read.
Yeah.
This one.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. The remaining participants, sir.
Could you able to see or not? Okay, forget about it.
Yes, sir. I saw.
Yes, forget. I may delete. Juvenile delinquency refers to the antisocial or a criminal activity of the child. But here say, Kolikonda Sharad Babu said right. Below 16 years of the age for boys and 18 years for the girls. That I want to make the correction. That is which violates the law, which is a junior, that is a juvenile delinquency is concerned. Yes, in the today class, I will come to my point of the maxims. Yes, could you see the maxim now, or you could not see the maxim? Yes. Can you able to see or not seeing? Please tell me, could you able to see what I cited on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I saw.
Yes, sir.
See, without getting the answer, I cannot move forward. I want to get the answer to my question. Then I can move the forward. Yes. Yes. Regarding the 12th question, in absentia, because up to this extent, we did it in the morning. Ignorantia facti excusat and ignorantia juris non excusat. This thing that we did it on the 12th is in absentia. Then what it means? Number one, in absence or more fully in the absence of the person not involved. Number two, in absence or more fully in the presence of the person involved. Number three, in absence or more fully in absence of person involved. Number four, in person or more fully in the presence of person involved. Which is the right answer among the four? See, while I was reading,
Option 3.
yes, you are right. It's option 3 is the right answer because In absence or more fully in the absence of the person involved. Means a person is involved over there, absent at the time only that we can say in absentia. That is the reason you will get your degree certificate in absentia. You need not to go to the convocation. That is called in absentia, you will get it. Okay. Now let us come to the 13th question. Can anybody will read the 13th question? Unmute and
Locus
read.
standi.
Locus standi. First, the right of a party to bring an action or to appear before the court. Second, the duty of a party to bring an action or to appear before the court. Third option, the right of a party to give an action or to appear before the court. Fourth option, the right of a party to bring an action or to show before the court.
Very good, very good. Which is the right answer? Because when you want to file a case, that you will say that you don't have the local standard to file a case.
Sir, option
Because
2,
there
sir.
should be base.
Option 1, sir.
Yes. Repeat.
Sir, option 2.
You are giving answer in the chorus. Option. Option.
Sir, option
Please
2.
give me the answer. See, you are not losing the marks. Option.
2.
It's one. One is the option. The right of a party to bring an action or to appear before the court. That is the local standi. The requirement of the local standi for the party to litigation is mandatory because the legal capacity of the party to any litigation, whether in a private or public action in relation to any specific remedy sought, or for has to be primarily ascertained at the threshold. But in certain cases, even though you are not a party to it, even though you are not a victim to the thing, but still you can file a case in the PIL if the environmental case is concerned or which is connected to the public is concerned. Certain offenses, either you need not to be a party and you need not be a victim. But on the other places, definitely the court will ask the local standard. And what local standard that you are filing this case? Yes. The 14th question, mutatis mutandis. That means without necessary changes. Number 2, with unnecessary changes. Number 3, with necessary changes. Number 4, with necessary exchanges. And which is the right answer? Mutatis mutandis.
Option 3.
Option 3, sir, with necessary changes.
Yes, that is, you are right. It is the option 3 with the necessary changes. That is the mutatis mutandis. Because whenever you want to apply any law, for example, our law is taken from the England. So if you want to apply it in England, they will say mutatis and mutandis. Means wherever the necessary there, some changes should be done. That is called mutatis and mutandis. Yeah. Then the 15th question. Can anybody will unmute and read 15th question? Sir, we don't know how to pronounce it.
Sir,
Is it
Nasipur, a Cecil's option number 1, the meaning of a word is to be judged by the company it treats. Option number 2, the meaning of a word is to be judged by the company it keeps. Option number 3, the meaning of a word is decided by the company it keeps. Option number 4, the meaning of a word is to be judged by the organization it keeps.
Nociter assasis, that is the pronunciation. Nociter assasis. So the 4 options, Sandhya madam has read it. Then which is the right option among the 4? 1 to 4. Yes.
Sir, option 3. The meaning of a word.
It's a 2.
It is
The meaning
decided
of
by-
a word is a 2. Answer is 2. The meaning of a word is to be judged by the company it keeps. That is a nociter assasis. I repeat, the meaning of a word is to be judged by the company it keeps. For instance, nociter means, for instance, if I say, if I'm standing in the factory, please believe that I'm standing in the factory, and I say, because of this, what I say, the environmental pollution is there because of this plant smokes. There the plant meaning not the biological plant. When in the factory, plant means it is a manufacturing unit. A place is called plant. But plant is having the two meanings. But we have to take that meaning which is very much suitable to over there. That is called Nociter associates. So that is the meaning actually. Obiter dicta. Because these are the terminology that you could see. It is the obiter dicta, they will say. So the things told by the way, things said in the way, things said by the way, things said by the way.
Sir, option 3.
Option 4 is the right answer. See, T-H-I-N-K, things, no. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Said by the way. Fourth is the right answer. Things said by the way. Not 3. 3 is T-H-I-N-K-S, that is. Okay? Got it clear?
Yes.
Say yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good. That is the feedback to me. So the feedback is meaning remarks of the judge which are not necessary to reaching a decision but is made to comments, illustration or thoughts. Okay. Parimetria. What is that? Number 1, of the same manner on the same subject. Number 2, of the equal matter on the same subject. Number 3, of the same matter on the same subject. Number 4, on the same matter on the same subject. Sir, there is no change. No, sir. No, there is a change.
Sir, option 2, of the equal matter on the same subject.
No.
Option
Second,
4, sir.
third, of the same matter on the same subject. Parimetria, on the same matter on the same subject. Suppose there are two, statutes are there. One statute is silent regarding the definition of a prostitute. So another statute will be there which will define the definition of the prostitute. At that instance, when one fails over there, in the same matter, the another statutes also deal over there. So we can take the definition from the prostitute from the another statute. That is called parimetria. Yeah, on the same matter, on the same subject, but in the different places that you will find it. Yes, that is the definition of the parimetria. Now, 18th question. Q facet, parallel facet per se. Number 1, he who acts by through the another acts for himself. Number 2, he who acts by the through other acts for himself. Number 3, he who acts in or through another acts for himself. Number 4, he who acts by or through another, THRO through another, acts for himself. Then which one is the right answer among the 4? 1, 2, 3, 4 options. I will give you the one example for this one. See, Q facet, parallel facet per se means, suppose if you engage the driver and driver met with an accident, then who will be responsible? Owner is responsible because driver doesn't have the deep pocket. So vicarious liability will come over there. But because driver is driving the vehicle on your conditions, on your instruction, if the driver committed a offense at that time, even though he is committed offense, but somebody is held liable. So that is the Q facet, parallel facet per se. He who acts by through another acts for himself. That means among the 1, 2, 3, 4, now you tell me which is the correct answer. Because I have given the example to you.
Sir, option 1, sir.
Action 1 is correct answer. Because the driver, he who acts by through another, means master, acts for himself. At that instance, the master himself is acting over there. So he who acts by or through the another acts for himself means there the owner is driving, even though owner is not there. Owner is behind the seat, the rear seat, the back seat, but the driver is driving over there. Okay. So now 19th question. Quid pro quo. Quid pro quo. Number 1, what for what or nothing for something. What for when or something for something. Number 3, what for whom or something for something. Number 4, what for what, something for something. Which one is the right answer? Sir, everything is right, no, sir.
Option
Yeah.
4, sir.
Did you see any difference? Did you see any difference? Yeah. Nothing for something is there. For what is something is there. Option 4 is the right answer. What for what or something for something. That is the quid pro quo. What for what or something for something. That is the fourth is the right answer. I appreciate that you have given the right answer. Yes, now 20. Can anybody will read 20? Please unmute and read.
Ratio decidendi.
Yes, number 1, read.
Number 1, that reason are reasonable for the decision by court. Number 2, the reason are rational for the decision of court. Number 3, the reason are rational for the decision by court. Number 4, the reason are rational for the decision by court.
Yes. So that is rationale. That is the Latin terminology. Rationale. Yes. So among the 4, which is the right answer? Ratio decidendi. Okay, I will give the example. See, ratio decidendi means if you decide any case, that case would be going to be an example for the another cases. We can take it as a precedent. Yes, on the same fact, the case is decided, and hence this case also falls in the same manner of the facts. Hence, the ratio decidendi will be applied over there. Now you tell me which is the right answer.
Sir, option 3, the reason are rational for the decision by court.
The reason are rationale for the decision by court. That is the 4th option. By court, not of court. Decision by court means 4th option is the right option. Okay, now res ipsa loquitur. The thing speaks of itself. The thing speaks for itself. 3. The thing speaks for itself. 4. The thing spreads for itself. Which is the right answer? See, I will give the example
Sir,
here.
option 4.
Yes, you are right. I appreciate. The thing speaks for itself. Suppose in the attic, A-T-T-I-C-K, attic. You know, the upper part of the house where you can store the material. Suppose something material which you store in the barrel which fell down, and it fell down and injured a person, a passerby. At that instance, whether you have taken the care, you have not taken the care, doesn't matter. It is fell down and the person injured, enough. That is res ipsa loquitur. That is, the thing speaks for itself. Okay, res judicata. That means a thing adjudged, and a thing decided, a thing completed. Which is the appropriate word here? Means already decided in one sense. Res judicata. The case is already decided, the over. So we need not to again spend the case on that matter. Okay.
Sir,
So which is the
option
right-
4.
Option 4, no, not completed. A thing adjudged means decided. The legal
Option 2.
terminology is adjudged. The legal terminology is a thing adjudged means it is decided. That is the meaning. Okay, now the question comes over there. 23rd question. Sub-silentio. Number 1, under silence with any notice being taken. Number 2, under silence without some notice being taken. 3, under silence without any notice being taken. Which one is the right answer?
Sir, option 4, sir.
Option, no. Under silence without any notice being taken. That is the right answer. So then I will stop at the 25. I will give the chance to the Sri Vidya. Sri Vidya will deal something. Okay. Now, 24th question. Ubi just, ibi remedium est. I repeat. Ubi just, ibi remedium est. Number 1. For each wrong, the law provides a remedy. You read the second one. Anyone?
For every wrong,
Yes.
for
please.
every wrong, the law gives a remedy.
Okay. Next.
3. For every wrong, the law provides a remedy. Option
Good.
4. For every right, the law provides a remedy.
Good. Which is the right answer here?
Sir, option 2. For every wrong, the law gives a remedy.
Law never gives, law provides. Are you following me? Legal terminology. So the right answer is, for every wrong, the law provides a remedy. That means
Remedy.
which is option?
3.
Option 1.
Option 3. The last one, I will stop it. Srividya, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The 25th question. Voluntary not fit injuria. I repeat, voluntary not fit injuria. That means to the consenting, no injury is made. To the consenting, no injury is done. To the consenting, no injury is done. To the agreeing, no injury is done. So voluntary not fit injury, I will give you an example so that you could have the understanding. See, in the boxing, and the two people are giving the punches, and where one fellow eye is bruised. See, eye is bruised. BRUISED. In Telugu, kamilipoyindi. In Urdu, yes, it became black because the blood clotted over there and became a black. That is called bruised. So now there the voluntary not fit injury it is. Now you tell me, out of 1, 2, 3, 4, which is the right answer? Make an attempt, even though it is wrong, doesn't matter. Even though it is wrong, that it doesn't matter.
Sir, option 3.
Option 3, sir.
Option 2 is the right. To the consenting, no injury is done. Because we can say injury is done when you give the consent, that means that no injury is done to you. Means you accepted it. You accepted it, even though there is an injury. Are you following me? You accepted it as if there is no injury to you because you are given the consent. Okay, with the 25th, then I will stop it. Then yes, participants, you are there. And now I will drag on Srividya, ready. Yes, I shared to you. Now you can go ahead. Yes. Yes. We saw that the fourth well tax is there. Feedback, we could see it. Yes. And I'm sure that the other people also could see it. The screen. Is it or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now proceed.
Yes, sir. Shall I start, sir?
Start.
68th question. Now 61st question. The 100 rupee note is issued by option 1, the State Bank of India, option 2, Reserve Bank of India, option 3, the Ministry of Finance, option 4, Nasik Printing Press.
RBI.
Option 2.
RBI is the correct
Appreciate.
answer.
Appreciate.
62 question. The average revenue will always equal marginal revenue under condition of option 1, perfect competition, option 2, monopolistic competition, option 3, discriminating monopoly, option 4, imperfect competition.
Number 4,
Monopolistic
which is the right?
Option 2.
Monopolistic competition. No, sir.
Second option.
Option 3. Discriminating monopoly.
The average revenue will always equal marginal revenue.
Perfect competition.
Yes, it's a
Option 4. Imperfect competition.
perfect competition is the correct
It is a
answer.
perfect competition is the right answer.
First of all, let us know what is perfect competition. It
Yes.
refers to a market in which many firms produce identical products. Barriers to entry into the market are very low, and firms complete to say sales only on the basis of price. You can see the start. Then you can understand. Like if you have taken the example of daily goods like sugar, this all comes under perfect competition. where entry and exit to the market are very easy. Like monopolistic competition, we can say the example of Apple phones and Geo, the network Geo, how it came. And these are some examples of monopolistic competition, imperfect competition. 63. The approximate ratio between the rural and the urban population in India is option 1 7:2, option 2 6:1, option 3 8:3, option 4 4:1.
Option 3.
Okay, correct answer.
It's the exact and correct answer.
Yes, sir. These are very important. Like we can directly answer them. Like irrespective of aptitude or reasoning, we need to do the maths. Whereas Indian economy or Indian polity, we can directly answer the question where we can save our time. 64th question. Trade union means option 1 group of traders, option 2 association of salary earners, option 3 employees of factory, option 4 none.
Option 1.
Traders.
Group of traders.
Option 1.
Group of traders is the correct answer.
Yes.
And feedback is not necessary, I think.
Oi.
60th question. Which is not counted as capital good? Option 1 building, option 2 machinery, option 3 tools, option 4 none of the above. Not counted as capital good.
Option 4.
Yes, yes. Option 4 is the correct answer. We should
Very
always
good answer.
answer the question.
Appreciate.
Yes, sir. Capital goods are like fixed goods. This all comes under capital goods. Here they gave not counted. And next is 66th question. Which of the following is not a direct tax? Option 1 custom duty, option 2 income tax, option 3 gift tax, option 4 wealth tax. Not a direct tax.
Custom duty.
Option 1. Custom duty.
Option 1.
Custom duty is the correct answer. 67th question. Finance commission is set up once in a year. Once in dash year. Every 2 years or every 3 years. Option 3 every 4 years. Option 4 every 5 years.
Option 3. 4 years.
Sorry, one more try.
One more.
Option 4. 5 years.
Yes, yes. Planning commission also we can say. In total, there were 15 completed. 69th question. VAT is dash of value added tax. Is it an abbreviation?
It's acronym, ma'am. Option 3.
Yes, yes. Very good.
See that I will expand it. See, acronym always every word first letter will be taken together and joined without any punctuation. It is said to be the acronym. But in abbreviation, the first letter would be the capital letter, the rest of the letters should be the small letters, and that ends by the full stop. That is an abbreviation. In contraction, it is 2 letters should be there, 3 letters should be there, then there would be apostrophe is there, and then some other letter will come, then we can say it is a contraction, like can't. In the can't, we write C-A-N apostrophe and T, then we'll say can't, that is a contraction. Yes, please. Thank you very much. Go ahead. Go ahead. 70, you read. Mine is over. You go ahead. Srividya.
Question. What is
No, breaking voice.
Yes.
There is a breaking voice.
Okay, now, sir.
There is a break in voice there. Now you read the 70. I could not hear you.
What is the world's biggest currency? Option 1 Iraq, option 2 Iran, option 3 Japan.
The break of voice is there.
What is the world's biggest currency?
Yeah, now it is good.
Is it clear now, sir?
Yeah, it is good now.
Yes, sir. Option 1 Iraq, option 2 Iran, option 3 Jordan, and option 4 Sudan.
Option
World's
2.
biggest
Option 4.
Option 4. Sudan.
One more trial.
Option 2, Iran.
Iran.
Option 2, Iran.
We need not to go for the
71st
feedback.
question. What is the world's strongest currency?
Option 4, Kuwait.
Yes, because we discussed day before yesterday,
Yes,
something
sir.
like that.
Discuss. And here I also added Indian geography. 72nd question. The Reserve Bank of India was established. Option 1 1935, option 2 1952, option 3 1951, option 4 1949.
Option 1.
Option 1 is the correct answer. The bank rate, 73rd question, the bank rate is fixed by the option 1 central bank, option 2 government, option 3 commercial bank, option 4 none of the above.
Option 4, none of the above.
It's fixed by government. Option 2 is the correct answer. 74th question, main source of India national income is option 1 agriculture, option 2 industry, option 3 forestry, option 4 none of the above.
Many sources of India is MANY.
Yes, sir.
Option 2, industry.
One more
Second
chance.
option.
I think so. Sir, main ayundal, sir. Main, MAIN, main source of India.
Yeah.
Means
Main.
agriculture.
Yeah, main source of India. You are right.
Yeah.
Option 1, agriculture.
Yes. The main sources of India's national income is based on agriculture. Yes, please, next.
75th question. How many pin code zones are there in India? Option 1 6, option
1 6.
Sir,
Option 1 6.
6.
Means option 1, the answer is 6. 1 6,
No, sir.
he says. Yeah, next.
There were total 9.
Okay. So
in
total
India, there
9
were-
zones are there.
Yes, sir. Including Indian Army, it's 9.
Okay.
Usually they don't add Indian Army zone, but including Indian Army, there were 9.
Mm-hmm.
The first digit of a pin indicates a zone, the second indicates a subzone, and the third, combined with the first 2, indicates the sorting district within the zone. The final 3 digits are assigned to individual post office within the sorting district.
Okay.
The pinning system was introduced on 15th August 1972.
Yeah, you make it a big, that letters.
Yes, sir.
Uniform should be there. The first line also very small. Okay, doesn't matter. But anyway, that you give the answer for that one. Yes, now it is good. Yeah, next. You make it bigger.
2-digit post code. Yes, that is the starting digits.
Okay.
Where for Delhi it's 11, for Telangana it's 50,
Yeah.
for Karnataka 57.
Yes.
Just for an idea, I just already skipped.
Okay. Very good.
76th
So total
question.
9 zones are there.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Including Army zone.
Okay. 76.
The biggest state of India is option 1 UP, option 2 Rajasthan, option 3 Bihar, option 4 Andhra
UP.
Pradesh.
UP.
UP.
Option 1, UP.
Yes, I believe that the UP only the biggest state.
Rajasthan, sir.
UP.
Because of the Chhattisgarh and other thing have gone, it became a Rajasthan. Why don't you check in the Google search engine? Check it, the Google search engine, the biggest state
It's
of
Rajasthan,
India.
sir. It's Rajasthan. Coming to population, it's UP.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
UP and Bihar.
Mm-hmm.
According to density, Rajasthan is the correct answer, sir.
Okay.
It's like 3,42,239 square kilometers. And the
Okay.
smallest is Goa, 3,702 square kilometers.
Right.
And 77th question, the largest wheat producing state is?
Yeah. Okay, go to the next.
77 question, Largest wheat producing state in India is first Uttar Pradesh, option 2 Bihar, option 3 Andhra Pradesh, option 4 Punjab.
Punjab option
Option
4.
Punjab, option 4, Punjab, madam.
Punjab.
Punjab is the correct answer. So we
Yeah.
can see the many agriculture farmers made a protest in Delhi. The farmers protest also made by the Punjabans only. 78th question. Sandalwood industries developed in option 1 Andhra Pradesh, option 2 Tamil Nadu, option 3 Karnataka, option 4 Kerala.
Option 3, Karnataka.
Yes, yes,
Karnataka.
Mysore sandal soap.
Yes, sir.
Mysore sandal soap is famous.
Yes.
The most
Right.
intelligent animal. Option 1 elephant, option 2 monkey, option 3 chimpanzee, option 4 dog.
Option 2 monkey.
Option 2, monkey.
Second option.
Option 4, dog.
No.
See, after the man, who will come next?
Chimpanzee.
Chimpanzee will
Three
come.
Yes, chimpanzee is the correct answer.
Sir, chimpanzee is similar to monkey, no?
Yeah, the most chimpanzee will find in the Tanzania, in that area is there. Even they speak also what they told, because they are
Yes.
trained to speak. Yes.
After
course.
chimpanzee, you can say dolphins, elephants, and crows.
Okay. Next.
The 80th question. The largest desert in the world is option 1 Sahara, option 2 Thar, option 3 Gobi, option 4 Patagonia.
Sahara.
But generally we will say Sahara or Thar.
Thar, sir.
Desert in the world. Largest desert in the world.
Thar, madam.
Sahara
Thar
Edari.
is India. Sahara is in the world.
Sahara Edari, we will say. Desert means Edari.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what do you know it? The desert ship is called
Sir?
desert ship. You don't know desert ship?
Camel, sir. Oh,
Camel.
sorry, sir.
Camel.
Camel.
Desert ship is camel. Huh? Okay. Now again, my turn is there. Be ready. Okay. That is the we discussed the ubi just EB remedium, and there is a will, there is a way. That is the thing we want. And voluntary fought injuria. That is a bruised fighting, boxing. A person got injured over there at the time injury that he has given. That means there no injury is done to him. That is the second option is the right option, we can say. Next, 26th question is, can anybody will read what is the 26th question? Sir, we don't know how to pronounce this. Okay, I will pronounce the first one. Exturpi casa non aritor actio. Actio, no, actually, action, not actio, that is actually. Yes. Exturpi casa non aritor actio. Yes, you can read the first one. That's the first option. This one. Yes. Anyone?
Sir, option 1, sir. From a dishonorable cause, an action does not arise. Option 2, sir. From a dishonorable cause, an action not arise.
Good, good.
Option 3, sir. From a honorable cause, an action does not arise. Option 4, sir. Dishonorable cause not arise.
If you happen to see closely, see, for a small things, we cannot go to the court. So small cause, we cannot go to the court. Like earlier times, we used to have, before the fountain pen invention, what do we use it? Anybody? Before the invention of the fountain pen, what we used to write on the paper? తెలుస్తుందని చెప్పండి, లేకుంటే పాస్ అన్నానండి, నేనే చెప్పేస్తా.
Pass on.
Quill, Q-U-I-L-L. Q-U-I-L-L. Quill అంటే ఈక. The bird's feather, you used to dip it in the ink pot and we used to write it. Suppose if you dip the ink in the somebody's ink pot for signing purpose, it is a trifling, a small thing. And for that one, then action will not be arise. There is a trifling also there, and here we can say extirpi causa honoraritive action means from a dishonorable cause an action does not arise, means which is negligible cause an action will not be arise. So actually the right answer is from a dishonorable cause an action does not arise. That is the right answer, means first one is the right answer. Another word is there that we can say, but of course, when you come across that, we will say that word. Inando. Raju gari modati bharya Pativrata. That is a inando. If you see, in ordinary sense, it is not a defamation. But if you read between the lines, it is a defamation. Like in these days, Rama will not stealing smartphones. In these days, Rama is not stealing smartphones. That means he used to steal previously, but not now. So inendo means here given the four options. Something expressly stated but has a secondary defamatory meaning. Number two, something not expressly mentioned but has a secondary defamatory meaning. Number three, something not expressly stated but has a primary defamatory meaning. And four, something not expressly stated but has a secondary defamatory meaning. Like an example which I have given you. Raju gari
Sir, option
modati
three.
bharya Pativrata. Yes, please.
Sir, option 3, sir.
And 4, sir.
Option 4 is the right answer. Something not expressly stated. They are not stated explicitly, but has a secondary defamatory meaning there. If you read between the lines, you will find the secondary defamatory meaning. So that is the meaning. That the option 4 is the right answer. Okay. So here we
In
can use
reality,
that quill.
newspaper editors will go across this, sir.
Yes,
In
yes, yes.
reality, the news editors will use
Yeah.
such type of words.
Yeah. Sometimes no, if you go on like that, ఇప్పుడు అంటారు కదా ఏనుగు పోతా ఉంటే కుక్కలు. Yes. See, some people will not look at back because if they look at back, they cannot reach the destination. Even effigy, 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 if you burn in the corner, in the center of the place, that amounts to defamation. But nobody would take an action because things are there. People want to make the protests in that way. Okay, let us come to the 28th one is de minimis non curat lex. So here the ink part is very much useful here. If you dip your quill in somebody's ink part, it is a simple cause, a simple reason. Can you go to the court? So that is the meaning. Statute does not notice trifles. Law does not notice trifles. Law does not show trifles. Law does not notice trifles. Which one is the right answer? ఈ చిన్న చిన్న వాటికి కోర్టు అవసరం లేదు. A small thing we need not to go to the court. Yes?
Option 2, sir.
Action 2 option. The law does not notice trifles. It will not take into consideration trifles. Yes, that is the one. Next, 29th question is still yes.
Equal, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, trifles means
For simple
Trifle.
reasons, okay, if you go to the court, చారణ మురికు బారణ మసాలా అంటారు. అర్థమైందా? Did you got paper? చారానికి మురికు బారానక మసాలా.
yes, sir.
That is the trifles. Nobody would go to the court unless until, for prestige's sake, if they want to go to court, yes, they go to the court. What will happen? The contempt of the court, Babde, how much punishment is given? Babde, David Harrelson, motorcycle, Nagpur. How much the? How much the punishment is given to the advocate?
1
1
rupee,
rupee.
sir. Prashant Bhushan is the advocate.
Why you are not giving the answer? See, I am crying and crying, but you are not giving the answer to me. Sir, it is 1 rupee is the penalty that is given to him. That is the punishment for the contempt of the court. And making such a statement. What is the motorbike name? Company name? Sir, we have
Harley
forgotten,
Davidson.
sir. Yes? Yes?
Harley Davidson.
Is it David Halson or Harley Davidson? Okay, it doesn't
Harley
matter.
Davidson.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. That is a motorbike. It's the minimum cost is 50 lakhs. The minimum cost that is. Okay, let us come to the point. Responded superior. Let the principal say, let the principal pay, let the principal reply, let the principal answer. Because the superior people, they have the big pocket. Means the wallet is deep wallet, they do have it. Means more money they do have it. So at that instance, the master should have to pay for the wrongs committed by their employees or their servants or the lower staff. So now you tell me, which one is the correct among the 1, 2, 3, 4? Yeah. See, let the principal will pay also correct, but actually let the principal reply. He will make the reply to it. It is given in the section 154 and 155 of the IPC. Okay, because if your servant has done certain mistake or an accident or any other thing, then the master is held liable under the vicarious liability. Because qui facit perilem facit, he who does through the others does himself. Yes. Next, 30th question is furiosis nulla voluntas est. Furiosis nulla voluntas est. This is a maxim. A madman has no will, a milkman has will, a miner has no will, a blind man has no will. Which is the right one? See, it is very easy to make it out. Yeah?
A madman has no will,
A
sir.
madman has no will because he's a mad. He doesn't know what is no will. So he doesn't know what he is doing, what he is not doing, and he doesn't know anything. That's why a madman has no will, means he is not willing to do a particular thing. Like a milkman, okay, milkman does naturally is having the will to do or what not to do because he is not a madman. And a miner, he is also not a madman, but he is sometimes that's the reason the miners are exempted because of the minority. What is the age of minority in India? Yes.
18 years.
For the girls or boys?
Both.
Both. Answer
Both,
is
sir.
both. For juvenile delinquency?
For girls it is 18, for boys it is 16.
16.
Yes. Yes. What about the marriage?
18 for
18 years woman, sir, and then 21 years of boy.
Very good. Very good. I appreciate it. I
under
appreciate it.
Guardianship Act it is 21 years, sir.
Yes. If the guardian was there, under the Guardianship Act, when he was taking care of it, at the time it is a 21 years age will be taken over there. Yes. Then, of course, at any time it can be stopped up to that extent that I can continue it. Amicus curiae means court friend, enemy of the court, friend found in the court, a friend of the
Option
court.
4, sir. Friend of the court.
Of the court.
Yes?